Alright, let's look at the homework 5.2, problem number 2. Alright, so we want to use the integration by substitution to evaluate this indefinite integral. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so it looks like there's a parenthesis, so it's kind of an easy choice. We're going to say let u be the expression inside the parentheses, so 3 minus x to the 7th power. Alright, then we want to take the derivative of this substitution equation, which is going to be derivative of 3 is 0. Derivative of negative x to the 7 is negative 7 x to the 6th power. Alright, then we can take the reciprocal of both sides, so which is the same thing as raise it to the negative 1 power. So put everyone upside down, so dx over du, which is equal to 1 over negative 7 x to the 6th power. Alright, then we want to isolate dx, so we multiply both sides by du. So that we have dx is equal to du over negative 7x to the 6th power. Alright, so let's rewrite this integral. So we decided to call this guy, right? This is our u. Alright, so we have integral. Alright, the numerator, I'm going to keep it the same for now, so x to the 6th power. Alright, denominator is u, then squared. Alright, dx, we just found out that is equivalent to du over negative 7 x to the 6th power. Alright, so we have, we just put this guy, oops. That's probably a wrong color. I'll try this one. Right, so put this guy right there. Alright, then what we can do is we can cancel out x to the 6th power on top, and there's a 1 on the bottom. And also there's a negative 7, it's just a number on the bottom, so I can just place it in front. Right, so we get, so I'm going to just go here. Right, so it's going to be negative 1 over 7, so that's just a constant. Then integral. Right, 1 over u squared, I'm going to rewrite it as u to the negative 2 power. Then we have du. Right. So by using a power rule, we can find antiderivative. So antiderivative would be add 1 to the power. So it's negative, so negative 2 plus 1, so it's negative 1. Divide by negative 1 is same thing as multiply by negative, so it's going to be plus 1 over 7 u to the negative 1. Then you have a plus some constant c. Right? So this is equal to 1 over 7 and u, so maybe I'll write that u plus c, which is equal to 1 over 7 times quantity 3 minus x to the 7th power, right, plus some constant c. Right, so let's type that in. So we got 1 over 7 times 3 minus x to the 7th power. And then you have plus some constant c. Right, check your answer. Right, looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.